Warning, this house may cause excessive relaxing. This isn't just 2,300 square feet. It's 2,300 square feet of Imagine the possibilities. Imagine spending your weekends making memories instead of making lawn stripes. Some people wake up to mow, others wake up whenever they feel like it. Brunch a little longer. Finally, finish that book. Say yes to one more game, one more story, one more hug. Or act your age, however you define it. So take that spontaneous trip. Staycation or vacation, the choice is yours in this beautiful home. Sleep in, travel often, brunch longer, spoil the grandkids, repeat. Schedule your tour today.